today's video, I'm going to be giving away a powerful strategy that I tested out a couple of days ago on Cpagrip, as you can see right here, from 21st of December down to 23rd of December, and using this niche called freelancing. Okay, as you can see, I created a content locker for this niche to test out this method. And as you can see right here, this is a very good result, particularly for beginners. So if you do this method and you do this for 30 days, so you can see right here over $180 a day. And if you do this for 30 days, like I said, you'll be making over $5,000 every single month. And keep in mind, I did this for about 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, so you can do this for yourself and you can use this to make money online as a beginner. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So the first thing you want to do is to pick a niche. And don't worry, as you can see right here, I have made available a list of 100 niches that you can replicate this strategy in and make money. And if you look at number 52 right here, which is freelancing, which was what I tested this experiment on and made a lot of money. And now you want to make sure to go through this list and pick any niche of your choice. And I can assure you, you're going to get amazing results as well. So once you've chosen any niche, the next step is to look for valuable content that you can give to people in that niche. And to get content for free, all you need to do is to go over to freeplrdownloads.com, or you can use idplr.com. So basically this website gives you content that you can give away or sell for absolutely free without copyright issues. All you need to do is to simply search for keyword in any niche you want to work with. As you can see right here, you're going to find a lot of free PLR product that you can give away for free. So all you need to do is to download this product and you want to upload them to a website like mediafire.com. So for me, I found a valuable ebook that is very helpful to freelancers, as you can see right here. Okay, so now all I need to do from here is to take a screenshot of this first page. So if you're on PC, all you just need to do is to open your snipping tool. Okay, so once you open your snipping tool, you want to take a screenshot of this first page. So once you take a screenshot of the page, you want to create a very simple landing page like this. So this is the landing page where you're going to be sending people to. And once they come over here and they click on download to get this ebook, they will be showing your content locker. And once they complete the offers, you make money and they get redirected to the Mediafire link you uploaded the ebook to. And as you can see right here, they can download it for absolutely free. So it's a win-win situation. You want to go over to card.co. So if you come over to this website, you'll be able to create a very simple landing page in less than 2 minutes. All right. So once you come over to this website, all you need to do is to click on choose a starting point. So once you do that, as you can see, they have various templates that you can use to create landing pages for free, although they have paid ones, but you can get started with the free ones as well. So all you need to do is to come over here to click on blank canvas. So once you come over here, the first thing you want to do is to click on this first button to add an element. And the element you want to add first is an image. So you want to click on this image. Once you do this, you want to then click on this upload right here to upload the screenshot you just made. So once you do this, this is where you want to upload the screenshots of the ebook so that people know that they are actually going to get this ebook. So here you want to then click on accept. So once you do that, the next thing is to type in a very captivating text right here. So now I'm going to type in the same text I used on my landing page. All right. So you want to type in double asterisks in front of the text and also at the end of the text. All right. So once you do this, your text is going to look bold and it's going to stand out. So once you do that, then you want to click on this appearance section and you want to increase the size of this text, all right, so that it's visible enough. So the next step is to click on this button and you want to add another text, all right. So if you do that, it's going to automatically bring this to the bottom. And here you want to type in something simple like this, okay. Don't miss out on this exclusive guide tailored to freelancers, all right. And you want to let people know that they can get this ebook for free, all right. So here you want to come over to appearance again and now want to reduce the size a little bit, okay, something like this, all right. So once you do this, the last thing you want to do is to then add a button, is to then add a download button, okay. Here you want to then click on this, and for the label you want to type in download. Okay, so once you type in download, people click on this, they'll get taken to your content locker. Okay, now for this section that says URL, this is where you want to paste in your content locker link. And now you can simply create your content locker by going over to your Cpagrip account and you want to click on URL file locker. So once you do this, you want to agree to terms of service and you want to click on continue. And now you want to go over to templates and you want to make sure to use this download template. Okay, so once you choose this template, then you want to come back to the general section. Then you want to change all the details like this. And here for the logged URL, this is where you want to paste in the media file link where you uploaded the ebook. Finally, you want to give your locker a name just to keep yourself organized. All right. So once you do this, all you need to do from here is to then click on save. So once you click on save, then you want to copy your content locker link. So once you copy your content locker link, all you simply need to do is to come over to this section that says domain, and you want to simply paste in your content locker link here. It's that simple. So this is all you need to do to create your landing page on card.co. Once you're done, all you just need to do is to click on done. And if you click on done, you want to click on this section that says publish this site. And this is where you want to give your site a name. So once you give it a title and a description, this does not really matter, okay? So the most important thing here is to type in a name for your landing page. And all you need to do from here is to click on publish. If you do everything correctly, your landing page is going to look like this. The next step is to come over to YouTube and you want to type in keyword like how to make money on Fiverr, since it's a freelance platform. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see a list of other long tail keywords that you want to copy down to a notepad. This is very important you do this because this is going to give you access to hundreds or thousands of videos that you can use to make money with this strategy. So another keyword you can use is how to make money with freelancing. And as you can see right here, these are other long tail keywords that you can copy here as well. So it's very important you copy these keywords and put them in a notepad, as we are going to be using them later on. Okay, so once you do this, the next step is to create a YouTube account. And I believe everyone can do this. So this is an example of a YouTube channel I created for this purpose. So once you create the YouTube channel, you want to make sure to optimize the channel by giving it a profile picture to make the channel look legit, okay? And also for the basic information, you want to give your channel a name that also resonates with that niche. So I chose to use something like freelance journey, as people who think I am documenting my freelance journey on my channel and they'll be more likely to want to check out the channel, all right? So now for the description of the channel, you want to type in something very simple like this. Hey guys, subscribe to follow my freelance journey on this channel. I have been using the methods in this ebook. I'm making money already and I will upload a video on the channel soon, okay? And now you want to tell people to click on this link to download the ebook, all right? And now the final thing you want to do is to make sure to add a link right here like this, and you want to paste in the link to this landing page. All right, this is very important because it's going to be helpful when we start driving traffic to this channel. Now to start driving traffic, you want to type in one of those keywords right here. So the first one we are going to be using is how to make money with freelancing. It's going to show me a lot of videos that are ranking for this keyword. So all you need to do is to go over to this video. So I'm going to take this one here as an example. So you want to go over to the comment section of this video. So before you do anything else, you want to go over to Google and type in font generator. Click on this first link, all right, that says quick tools by PicArt. All right, so once you click on this, then you want to scroll down and you want to make sure to click on load more fonts. So once you do this, this is going to show you these fancy fonts that we are going to be using to drive traffic to our profile, okay? And keep in mind, we are not going to be pasting any link on this comment, as YouTube is going to automatically delete the comment. So once you come over to this website, then you want to type in the comment that you want to paste on that video. All right, so I'm going to type in something like check my profile. All right, so once you do that, all you need to do is to then click on this copy to copy this text, and you want to go back to that video. And I recommend to watch at least 10 seconds of the YouTube video before you make any comment. All right, so as you can see, we've seen over 10 seconds of this YouTube video. So the next thing you want to do is to then come over to the comment section, and you want to simply type in 0/10 seconds or 13 or whatever figure you want. All right, and you want to paste in your comment like this. So once you do this, then you want to click on comment. So once you do this, once people come over to this video and they see check my profile and they click on this, they will be taken to your channel, and now they are going to see this link right here. And once they click on this link, it's going to bring them to this landing page, and we already know they are interested in freelance content, and all they need to do is to click on download to get this ebook for free. So now I'm going to show you an example of a video I did this method in. So now you can see this is a video talking about how to make money on Fiverr without skill, okay, which is very related to this ebook. So now if you go over to the comment section, as you can see right here, 20 hours ago, I made this comment. As you can see, my Fiverr account is richer than Elon Musk. Follow my journey. So you want to make cheesy and funny comments like this, and I can assure you a lot of people would get curious and want to check out your profile. So as you can see right here, over 20 hours ago, this comment is still visible, and you can see people are already liking this comment as well. All right, so you want to replicate this strategy and make this comment for as many videos as possible. So like I said, you want to make sure to also experiment with other long tail keywords as well, and I can assure you, if you make this comment, you will be getting free traffic from YouTube to your landing page, and you will definitely get conversions.